Good afternoon, my dear students. First, I welcome you to my YouTube channel. And today, I am going to take a class on derivative of logarithmic function. This is a most important topic. From this topic, regularly question asked in the final examination. So, first of all, you have to understand why logarithm is used to find the derivative of a particular function. Suppose a function of the type fx all to the power gx. Fx is a function of x and gx is also a function of x. If such type of functions are available, in that type of function, what is your first step? Your first step, you have to write y equal to this particular function. And then the second step, first step is taking y equal to this, second step is taking logarithm on both sides. And after taking logarithm, you will get this, and you know the rule of logarithm is this is the power of this. You know a rule, this is log of a to the power b can be written as b into log a. So this is your a, this is your b, and so that by this rule gx will become in the left of log multiplied with log. Okay, so after taking log, you will get log y is equal to zx into log of fx. Now after taking logarithm, the next step, that is third step is what? You have to differentiate this particular expression, differentiating both sides of this expression with respect to x, and you will able to find what? dy by dx. And very important is log y. You know, I have given the last class. So d dx of log y. How to find d dx of log y? So this x and that y are different. So first you consider this is x, and then it will be converted into formula d dx of log x, and which will be 1 by y. Since y is other than x, so again derivative of y with respect to x, you will get dy by dx. And from here you will able to get the value of dy by dx, that is ddx of this. This is the process. You have to find the derivative of some functions using the logarithm. And there are some examples of such type of functions. I am giving some example, like suppose x to the power x, x to the power minus x, x to the power sine x, sin x whole to the power cos x. Whenever such type of function are given, suppose given find ddx of this. So what to do? You have to write y equal to x to the power x, and then you have to find dy by dx. And after taking y equal to x to the power x, as per our rule, you take logarithm on both sides, and after taking logarithm you differentiate with respect to x. So in all such type of problems you use this method. But if it is happen like that, you may be confused, x to the power 15, so you have to find the dx of this. Do not use this. It is also a function 15, constant function, so it is not required, because in such type of function what happen, you can apply this rule, the dx of x to the power n is equal to n into x to the power n minus 1. Never write like that, ddx of x to the power x is equal to, maybe you, so many students I have seen, they have written like that. You can use this is n, and you can write x into x to the power x minus 1. This is wrong. This is a wrong concept. You cannot utilize this, because it is not a number. Here it is, n is what? N is a real number. N is a what? Real number. Okay. So such type of problems you have to apply what? Logarithm. Okay, let us solve 1-2 problem, then your idea will be more clear. The clarity will become more. And let us start with a problem first. Let's start with a problem. For example, find the derivative of the following function. First A, suppose x to the power x. B, suppose x to the power sine x. C, suppose x to the power minus. I am taking simple example and try to make you understand. First this solution. Suppose you are going to solve this x to the power x. Okay. First your aim is to take, this is y. Let y equal to x to the power x. The next step, taking log on both sides. After taking log, what happens? Left hand side becomes log y and right hand side क्या होगा? Log x to the power x, and which will be x into log x as per the definition of log. So x into log x, I am writing directly. Now after getting this step, what to do? You have to derivative both sides with respect to x, differentiating both sides with respect to what? X. When you derive this, means ddx of log y means first 1 by y, again derivative of y with respect to x means dy by dx. Here you are going what? T dx of x into log x. So in such problem, what to do? You have to apply the formula log u into b. So what is the formula? U into ddx of b plus b into ddx of u, where u is x, b is log x. So applying this x into ddx of log x plus log x into ddx of what? X. Finally you get 1 by y into dy by dx. What is ddx of log x? You know ddx of log x is 1 by x, and ddx of x is what? 1. Log x into 1 is equal to log x. So it is becomes x cancel, 1 plus log x. Your aim is to find derivative of this function. That means ddx of what? That means you have to find dy by dx. So dy by dx, this 1 by y goes to the right hand side, will be multiplied y into 1 plus log x, and finally what is y? It is x to the power x, and you get this result. So this is your answer. That is what? T dx, y means what? X to the power x. So ddx of x to the power x is equal to x to the power x into 1 plus log x. Okay, I hope you understand. This is the way you have to solve the problem. Let us start with the second problem. Okay. What is the second problem? The question is b x to the power sine x, or suppose it will be better, you write sine x whole to the power x. This type of question. Let us take, I am taking this, this is the question. Let y equal to sine x whole to the power x. So your first step is taking log. You have to write the statement. Log y is equal to what? After taking log, what will happen? It will be x into log sine x. Okay, after taking log, then differentiating with respect to x, differentiating both sides with respect to x. If you take differentiation, you will get 1 by y into dy by dx, and here there are two functions. One is this is u, and you take this is b. So ddx of u into b. ddx of u into b means what? U into, u means x into ddx of log sin x plus log sin x into ddx of x. Here I am, what formula? This is u into ddx of b plus b into ddx of u. Okay, I hope you understand. Then x into ddx of log sin x means what? 1 by sin x. Using the log formula, if you consider this is your x, ddx of log x is equal to 1 by x. X means what? Sin x. Since sin x is not x, is other than x, so again ddx of what? Sin x plus log sin x, and ddx of x is what? 1 into this is equal to log sin x. Here x by sin x into ddx of sin x is what? Cos x plus log sin x. I hope you are understanding. You are understand. So finally dy by dx, and this 1 by y goes to the right hand side, then it will be multiplied with whole figure y into, it will cos by sin is what? Cot. So you can write x cot x plus log sin x. Okay, and finally you put the value of y. What is the value of y? Y is what? Sin x whole to the power x, and it will be x cot x plus log sin x. This is your final answer. Okay, I have solved 2 problems, and I hope you can solve the third one also. And now I am going to solve a different type of problem from this particular chapter. So here the question is, if x to the power y equal to y to the power x, then find dy by dx. This is the question. Okay, how to solve? Take the given condition. Here x and y are both function. So in such problem, what to do? We will take logarithm. Log on both sides. We get, if you take log here, left hand side क्या हो जाएगी? Left hand side will be of the log y to x to the power y, and it becomes y log x. So left hand side will be y log x, and if you take logarithm on the right hand side, then it will be x into log y. Now differentiate both sides. Differentiating with respect to x, both sides. So again here there are 2 function, product function. This is u and this is your b. U is y, b is log x. Applying the formula ddx of ub. Formula is u into, u means what? Y into ddx of b. B means what? Log x plus b into ddx of u. U means what? Y. ddx of y means dy by dx. In the right hand side it's same pattern, x into ddx of log y plus log y into ddx of x. Applying the formula, y into ddx of log x means what? 1 by x log x into dy by dx, and here ddx of log y means what? ddx of log y means 1 by y, and since y is other than x, again dy by, remember it, very important, log y ddx of x is what? 1 into log y is equal to log y. Now all the term containing dy by dx come to the left hand side. If you take this term in the left hand side, what will happen? If you dy by dx take common, log x minus इधर आ जाएगा तो x by y into dy by dx, and all the term not containing dy by dx put into the right hand side. This is log y, and वो टर्म इधर ले जाएंगे तो क्या होगा? y by x. Okay, if you take LCM, then it will be y log x minus x into dy by dx, and here you take LCM, it will be x log y minus y. Now finally you are going to find the value of dy by dx. So dy by dx इक्वल टू, इस टाइप में क्या करेंगे, वो नीचे तो जाएगा. व्हाट विल हैपन? y विल मल्टीप्लाइड विद इट एंड दिस फिगर विल मल्टीप्लाइड विद x. सिंपली क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. y इंटू एक्स लॉग y माइनस y ब्रैकेट and x into this figure, x into y log x minus x. So here very technically you have to do this is cross multiplying. Y will multiply with this figure will multiply with x, and this is the final answer. Okay, I hope you understand this problem also. I'm going to solve another problem of little different type. Suppose the problem is, question is, if find the differentiation or derivative of, find the derivative of x to the power sine x plus sin x whole to the power x with respect to x. You have to find the differentiation of this particular figure with respect to what? X. That means you have to find, that means you have to find ddx of this figure. Okay. So first what to do? We'll take this figure is equal to y. In such type of problem, many students always do mistake like that, they applying directly logarithmic formula. So in such type of problem you do not use logarithmic formula, because if you use log, then right hand side will be, suppose this is your u and suppose this is your b, and right hand side will be log u plus b, and there is no formula exist for log u plus b. That's why we cannot take logarithm on this side. What we will do, we will take, this is u and this is b, and ultimately your expression is what? Y is equal to u plus b, and if you differentiate with respect to x, then it will be du dx and it will be db dx. So this is suppose number 1. Clear? Your final answer is what? ddx of this means dy by dx. You are going to find this. Before going to find this, you have to find this and this, find db dx, and after finding these two results you put here, you will get dy by dx. Okay, let us, what is your u? Now one by one we are going to find. U equal to x to the power sine x, then you take log u. फंक्शन के ऊपर फंक्शन है तो log ले सकते हो अभी. log u इक्वल टू, अगर इधर log दिया जाए तो sin x लेफ्ट साइड में मल्टीप्लाई होगा इनटू log x. log a to the power b equal to b into log a. Differentiating with respect to x. Log u, derivative of log u is equal to what? 1 by u. We are taking ddx. This is later ddx of log u. Okay, ddx of log u is equal to what? 1 by u. Again u is other than x, so again you write du dx. Same way like log y, du dx. तो राइट हैंड साइड क्या होगा? राइट हैंड साइड विल बी अ प्रोडक्ट फंक्शन. दिस इज u, दिस इज b, Okay, so sine x into ddx of log x plus log x into ddx of what sine x. I hope you are understanding. You are understanding. U into ddx of b, u into ddx of b plus b into ddx of u. So many a time already I have utilized this formula. I hope you understand. Then u क्या होगा, सबके साथ मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा u into sin x and ddx of log x means what 1 by x, तो क्या होगा 1 by x हो जाएगी प्लस log x into ddx of sin x is what cos x. This is your du dx. What is u? You replace u by what? X to the power sin x. Log x into cos x. Okay, this is your du dx. Now we are going to find db dx. What is b? B is sin x all to the power x. What is your b? B is b equal to what? Sin x all to the power x. Taking log, you have to write the statement taking logarithm on both sides. So it will be x log sin x. Okay, now you differentiate with respect to x. You differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Again you are applying chain rule, and that is not product rule. You dx of u into v. Left hand side will be what? 1 by b db dx, and right hand side will be u into b function ddx of u into b. U means what? X into ddx of b means what? Log sin x plus b means log sin x into ddx of what? X. Okay, I hope you understand. Then x in ddx of log sin x. If you consider this is your x, log sin x का derivative क्या होगा? 1 by sin x. But since sin x is other than x, by chain rule again ddx of sin x log sin x, and ddx of x is what? 1 into this. Finally what you are getting? db dx equal to b क्या होगा? मल्टीप्लाई होगा. b will be multiplied. What is b? I am putting the value of b directly. Sin x whole to the power x into x by sin x, x by sin x into ddx of sin x means what? Cos x plus log sin x. Okay, then sin x whole to the power x, and cos by sin is equal to what? Cot, though it will be x into cot x plus log sin x. Okay, so finally what we get? We get the value of du dx and db dx. Now one implies, equation 1 implies, what is your equation? dy by dx equal to what? du dx plus db dx. Now if you put the value of du dx, what is du dx? X to the power sin x by x plus log x into cos x plus db dx. db dx, this one, sin x whole to the power x into x cot x plus log sin x. So this is the final answer. I hope I will make you understand. I make little faster to solve the problem, and I am confident that you are able to catch my word, and also you understand the steps what I have explained. So this way you can solve the problem by using the logarithm logarithmic differentiation for the function using logarithm and then find the derivative. I'll solve more problem in the next class related to this topic, and I'll complete the chapter. Thank you very much for attending my class and watching my videos. Thank you.